Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a body shop haul. Now it's been some time since I have done a haul given the situation of the world right now, but to lighten things up a little bit, I thought of sharing a body shop haul with you all because I ran out of some products and thankfully Body Shop is shipping now. But before we jump ahead into the video, you guys know the drill. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. And now let's get started. The first product that I got is this one. This is from their body yogurt range. This is in the variant Totally Tangled Ginger. I have gone through an entire tub of this. I absolutely love it. Love the consistency of this product. It is so mild and gentle on your skin and instantly sinks right into your skin and hydrates it completely. I love the fragrance of this particular variant and I'm obsessed with it. Like I told you, I've gone through an entire tub of it and I needed this and I was desperately trying to find one. But when I saw that Body Shop was shipping, I placed an entire order just to get this product. It's amazing. I absolutely love the fragrance of it. If you're a dry skin girl like me, then you should totally check out this product. The only downside of the product is that I feel for the price I'm paying, which is a little bit on the expensive side given its Body Shop, I think I should have got a little more. This particular tub I think would last me like 1.5 months at max. It has got 200 ml, but I think since the product is so very light and it has got a running consistency, I think I tend to use a little more. I feel the prices of all the products will be on this screen so that you guys can have an idea. But for this one, since Body Shop is running an offer currently, I got it at 20% off. I know the price is a little expensive, but I know I'm going to use it thoroughly. Every day I come out of the shower and I lather myself with it. I love it so much, guys. It is extremely good, extremely hydrating and moisturizing. It has a very nice cooling effect and one of the best products for summer from the Body Shop, I feel. Moving on to the next product, which is this one. It is a shower cream. It is in the variant Almond Milk and Honey. I haven't used any shower creams before this and this is the first time I thought of using it. I have used it only once and the first impressions are pretty good. Mix it with water and then apply on your body and it kind of lathers up and the consistency becomes that of a cream. After you wash your body, instantly you would feel that your skin is nourished and hydrated and moisturized like that of a cream. And since it has got good ingredients like almond milk and honey, these are extremely good for sensitive skin as well as dry to very dry skin. So do I recommend this product? Absolutely yes, because this is a product which has got creamy consistency and it is not very heavy on the skin. At the same time, it sinks right into the skin and gives you that nourished and hydrated look. I'm so very looking forward to using it more often, and I think with these kind of products a little goes a long way. This bottle right here is going to last me quite a long time. Moving on to the next product, this one. This is their Black Musk Perfume Oil. This is the first time that I got a perfume oil. I got it just before the lockdown. I got it from a store. I didn't order it online, and again I got it on some offer. It is a little pricey, but it is a perfume oil and you just do not need too much. I think if you are a Body Shop lover, then you would be familiar with their Black Musk perfume. Now this is a perfume oil instead of a perfume spray, and you get an applicator like so. The essay told me that you just have to dip it in the bottle and use it on your pulse point. You'll be good to go. I have used it 1 or 2 times. I haven't had the opportunity to use it since the country went into lockdown right after I got this product. Let's talk about the fragrance. It's just amazing. It's not too overpowering. It is a little sweet and I think this is a product that can be worn during nighttime, especially for evening parties and things like that. You can obviously wear it at your home as well, and I think the fact that it can be used on your pulse points only and you just do not need too much, I think this is going to kind of last a really long time. If we talk about the staying power, I am not very sure how long it will stay since I haven't used it for that long. I love the formula of it and I love that it is a little unique than what I use on a regular basis. If you like me, love trying out new products, and if you are into perfumes, then you should definitely check this one out. Moving on to the next product, which is their shower gel. This is their Wild Argan Oil shower gel. I love their shower gels so much. They are really good, and they are very much hydrating, nourishing, and absolutely amazing. Do I recommend them? Totally. I love anything which has got argan oil in it because they are very nourishing and very rich products, and really good again for sensitive skin, dry skin, and all skin types generally. The fragrance of it is very good. Again, these products are very hydrating. They definitely clean your body well. With these products as well, you do not need too much. I would highly recommend you all to check out their shower gel range. There are so many variants in this range. You definitely love each and every one of them, but if you have dry skin like me, then you can try the argan oil. I think this one again is on offer, so if you want, you can check out the Body Shop website. I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing all these products that I got in the description box below so that you guys can check them out. And in case you're wondering, this is not a sponsored video. So yeah guys, those were all the things that I got from Body Shop during the lockdown. This is a small haul, but I only picked up essentials which I needed, and yeah, that's about it. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite product. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.